You won't? Back there a little way. Guys, over the hill. There we go. We got a runner. Put fire on him. Attack. He's out. He's out. Move up. We got one more at least. One more. Got me covered?
How the fuck does that guy put his hand up in the air like that?
Bring it in, Spaz! Bring it in! He's out! He's out! Put your gun up! Put your gun up! Take that ridge! Take that ridge! Huh? Take that ridge, Biggs. That one. I'm following. Call it out. Call them out. Anybody see anything? Where do you want everybody, Bill?
Over here?
I assume you were speaking of Deadwood. That's blue over there in the gray sweatshirt. That's blue over there. Watch out, there's some blue over there. Oh, I see him. Hey, reap him. Hey, Spaz, Spaz, 2 o'clock. Spaz, 2 o'clock high. He's gonna get nailed right there. Get him, Biggs! Get him! Up there! Spaz, behind you!
On the red!
The rest of you! The rest of you! Everybody! On me!
Go!
Perimeter around Deadwood. Chris, tap everybody, have them follow you. Yeah. Keep Deadwood! Blue! Blue! Regroup on me! Regroup on me! Set up perimeter around Deadwood! Got one! Biggs, how you looking? Hunt them down and kill them! Regroup in Deadwood! It looks like on that end of Deadwood, near TP, we've got about 8 guys looking and hunting for 8. Single guy.
Roger, go ahead and send about 6 of those guys back up, and we keep the 2 to 1.
I got 12 heading back to Deadwood.
Thank you.
Blue! Blue! Regroup in Deadwood.
Thank you.
Not bad. How you doing, Ref? There goes Biggs. He's going to go in for the kill. Oh, yeah. Hell of a shot. Yeah. Let's regroup back in Deadwood.